I love you. I missed you so much. Your sister's being loud and obnoxious, huh? And jealous. And jealous, because you're my favorite. I love you. I love you. I love you. You're such a good boy. Yeah, the internet hasn't seen you in a long time. Bye. Where are you going? I love you. Internet hasn't seen you in so long. Yeah, you're a good boy. Hello.
Hi.
I'm eating candy.
Yeah.
These things are so good. They're called Mambas. They're like Starburst, but they're vegan. And it says vegan right on the package because Starburst have something in it that's not vegan. I forget what.
I thought it had gelatin in it, but they were changing the recipe over so it doesn't have gelatin.
I don't know. Maybe. But these come in good flavors. They come with lemon, and strawberry, and raspberry, and orange. And one time I've seen them really weird flavors, but it might not have been Mamba, it might have been a different brand. But they had kiwis. That looks good. I wanted something sweet.
What time is it?
Brandon had a productive evening.
I beat LA Noir. And Jen wants to give me a haircut. But it's
You're
already...
not filming yourself very well. You're zoomed in too far.
Oh. That just made it worse, didn't it?
Yeah. And I finished Lola and the Boy Next Door, and it was just as good as the French Kiss. And I can't wait for Isla and the Happily Ever After. Comes out next year.
Jen wants to give me a haircut, but it's already like 9:30 at night. I'm tired.
Do it, do it, do it.
We can do it tomorrow.
Do it, do it, do it, do
Tomorrow.
it, do 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 it. What do you think, Blade? Does Dad need a haircut? Will he look schmaxy?
Tomorrow when I get out of work. It's already 9:30, but
Blade thinks you need a haircut. He told me telepathically.
by the time we get done with the haircut, it'll be like too late for us to be taking showers and...
No, it won't.
Tomorrow. My body, my choice.
Meh.
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 I did my makeup today for the first time in a while. I look pretty. You gonna take your shower? Go take your shower.
Alright. They're making a movie out of Ender's Game. You should take your shower first because your hair takes longer to dry.
No, you should take your shower first because it takes me longer to take a shower.
Okay.
And I'll use up all your hot water and you like your showers hotter than I do. So go, Ted, take your shower first.
Alright.
You always take your shower first.
Okay. I guess...
I love you.
I love you. I guess I'll just let the credits keep running and I'll deal with them afterwards.
Yeah. I gotta make sure the vlog uploaded properly.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get it to upload in HD because last time it didn't. It did like 480 or something, which is not 1020 or 1080 or whatever.
Oh.
It's like 4 something.
Something's happening.
Ooh, okay. I gotta stop it.
Blade wants food.
You talk to me? I need a spoon or something. I don't want to use one of our good spoons to scoop it out with. Ew. I've never seen him so loud.
You want food, Blade? Food? Miz is just waiting patiently.
I know. Mittens is such a good cat. Mittens is my favorite.
Blade's like, food!
Can I use this one? We never used it for anything. I'll
Yeah.
just make that their cat food. You want it? And how many calories are in this? It doesn't say. How are you supposed to feed a cat a proper amount of calories if it doesn't say how many calories it is? You're gonna get fat. Fatter.
What about Pumpkin?
Pumpkin will get some. He gets fed last because he won't come down.
Let's go get Mitten's bowl. Now that Blade's finally shut the fuck up.
Watch him cry for all that time and not eat all of it. I'll be so mad. Mittens.
Jen's probably not taking a shower tonight.
Yes, I am.
It's already 10 o'clock.
So?
You always complain about not wanting to take a shower till it takes your hair too long to dry.
So?
Okay.
If it dries funny, I'll just have to jump in the shower again tomorrow.
Yes, because bathing daily is such a hassle.
And my hair actually looks decent.
It does. It looks cute when you straighten it.
I want to make sure you got enough, Bladey. It's technically after midnight, but I had to get a video of this. Okay, Pumpkin came down and sat on the couch with Blade. He's been down for a while, and then he went on the couch. He was in the cat tree, in the big house of the cat tree, and now he's laying on the couch. He looks so happy. He doesn't come out much in the day. He likes to be out at night more.